guys, so let's get into my morning skincare routine. But first, do you like my shirt? I hope you said yes. I start by just wetting my face with a towel, then using this cleanser, which I'll put in the description with everything else I use in this video. And I've been using this cleanser for a few months now, and I really like it because it has charcoal and some other ingredients that I think have really helped my face be a little bit less oily. Next, I use just a basic toner and just wipe that all over my face. So this tiny little bottle is of face oil, and I put a few small drops of this onto the side of my hands and pat it into the outer part of my face. I don't know exactly what this does, but I do know that my skin has been looking better ever since I started using it, so... After the face oil, I use an oil controlling moisturizer, which sounds weird, but I'm pretty sure it works for me. So I take a few pumps of that and rub it all in. And the last thing I do in the morning is apply some under eye cream. And that's my morning skincare routine done. And that's my face afterwards, in case you were wondering. Alright, so now I'm back to do my nighttime skincare routine. And I did my makeup, so you'll be able to see how I take that off. But remember to take off your lashes first, because I forgot to do that. But after that, I take my makeup eraser that I grabbed earlier, which is really good, by the way. And I run it under very warm water, and I just start taking it all off. Then I use this cleansing balm, which is probably my absolute favorite skincare product ever. And I rub that all over my face, including my eyes, to get the rest of that makeup off. Then I rinse my face with water. After that, I use the same toner from earlier. And now, here's what really helped clear my skin. This is a cream called Epiduo Forte, and it was prescribed to me by a dermatologist. I've been using it for about 3 or 4 years now. After that, I use the same face oil from before. Then I use this moisturizing cream. Lastly, I use the same eye cream from before. And that's my nighttime skincare routine. Here's my face again. Not that you can really see a difference, but yeah. Thanks for watching.